Bobcat Awakening presents Real Men of Jesus.
Real Men of Jesus.
Today we salute you, Mr. Excessively Costing to your hand right before we say the Our Father, which means we hold hands guy.
Mr. Excessively Costing to your hand right before we say Our Father, which means we hold hands guy.
As we are singing Amen, are you wishing that Ryan or Sarah would pat you on the back?
Thank you, Ryan.
Spraying the words that Jesus taught us.
Did you know that Purell developed a hand sanitizer just for you?
Now give me that healing touch.
How does that moisture feel between your palms? Now how do you think the people next to you feel?
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from bacteria.
So crack open a weekend at Bobcat Awakening, where we sanitize not only your hands, but your souls as well.
Mr. Excessively Costing to your hand right before we say the Our Father, which means we hold hands, guy.